up, Totally Tonight fam? It's your girl Totally Tonight, and I'm back with another video. Today, as you can see by the title, I am going to be doing a makeup look for you guys. I feel like I haven't done one of these in a good while, so I'm kind of excited to, do a little look for you guys. And yeah, I know I've been promising Dear Black Girl content, guys. It's coming. I guess I just wanted to give you guys a little bit something more fun, something you guys can watch, see how I, get my looks or whatever, or beat my face, whatever you guys want to call it. So yeah. Oh, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I post a new video. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So just so you guys know, I've already washed my face, I've cleansed my face, I've moisturized my face. I use Pond's to moisturize this one, and I use a primer. I mix it with the moisturizer. I use e.l.f. Illuminating Face Primer, guys. This is so good. I did like a little video on TikTok about like some of the best products, makeup products for the low, and this was definitely one of them. Okay, yeah. But now I think I'm about to just do something a little bit more simple. Not too much because I'm not going anywhere. I'm just, it's my break because of the hurricane. You guys know I go to school here in Florida. I live in Florida, born and raised. So I'm out of school, I'm out of work, and I'm trying to be productive with my break. I also have my makeup remover wipes, just to, wipe off any brushes or anything like that. But I'm not gonna ramble too much, y'all, okay?
I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option, due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. Babe's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing baby, saying baby, love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and pour a drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Yeah, it's taking that off of me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just
killer, nobody gonna play with you when I'm with you. Go against any nigga like fuck this glitter. Skeet all third on bitches. I put it in for you, I spin for you. Whatever you with, I'm with it. How you gon' cost a nigga out rockin' with you? I got you lit in the city. I been multitasking, rapping and being a daddy to my little children. I been spinning on business and spinning and spinning and spinning until I'm dizzy. I do all the smack, you ain't never step or help with none of you killers. You doing a lot of capping, watch when I catch, I'ma whack in front of witness. Damn, I knew you were tripping. We could've been superstars.
Feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie. Share that beat of love. I wanna ride.
So right, cause we
Blank Beats Production.
Josh P, what it do?
my regular. I'm talking takes for better now. Oh, takes for better now. Oh, way better now. Oh, takes my regular. I'm talking takes for better now. Oh, takes my regular. I'm talking.
Feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that heat of love. I wanna ride the work it in the middle. I wanna ride the work it in the middle. I wanna
so right, 'cause we
this is the finished look. Now, by no means am I a makeup artist, okay? I am learning as I go. But I think I do a pretty good job. So there she is. Please give this video a big thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below what products you guys use, what steps you guys take to get your full face done. Your most simple full face, okay? Like I said, I'm learning as I go. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next one.